This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet home for sale, Indianapolis, Indiana. What can I tell you about this? It's completely remodeled. Large living room, high ceilings. Here comes, this could be the office, playroom. Here goes the kitchen. It's a beautiful, large kitchen. New furnace and water heater. It has a washer and dryer hookup. Pretty big. Once again, high ceilings. Here goes the bathroom. New flooring, new vanity, new toilet, new shower. Step back here. This door goes to the backyard. Here goes one other bedroom. The third bedroom, high vaulted ceilings. And here goes the master room. Real high vaulted ceilings. All new windows. Large closet. I'm going to show you this. You'll have a better idea. It's a beautiful house, close to downtown. If you want more info, I'll put it down below. There is a $3,000 buyer's bonus for the realtor, and a $500. No, actually, I'm sorry. Let me fix that. $3,000 for the buyers, and $500 for the agent. It's got a large front yard. And a large backyard. There was the roof. New roof. And it's a nice, quiet neighborhood. Yeah, if you're interested, we'll put the link below, the phone number, the info, who you can reach. This one won't last long. We do have more. So this one would rent for an investor about $1,300, if not more. So it'll give a good cap rate return. stainless steel appliances, nice refrigerator, dishwasher. So nice open floor plan. So for more info, give us a call. Thank you.